Thank you so much for tuning in to the follow-up video of the Air Jordan 11 Retro Cherry 2022. And if you recall, I said, hey, I'm swapping the insoles, which I did. In terms of sizing, I went up a half size to a 6.5, so they fit more comfortably. But then I also swapped the insoles to the Jordan MA2, and it's a much more comfortable fit. They will take some breaking in though, at least for this 11, in my opinion. This video will feature 4 looks by myself, but just know I intend to style these a number of ways. We already unboxed those in yesterday's video, so I guess the only thing to do is style them. The Jordan 11 is built on the allure of a classy elevated basketball pair on the court, so that's exactly what I did with this fit. So we have an H&M women's double-breasted blazer, the knit crop also from H&M, and a pair of Zara slacks also from the women's section. So this is a way to dress up the Air Jordan 11 Cherry this holiday season. Absolutely can wear this to the office, but I think also out to dinner or even a holiday celebration or party you may attend this season. Let's go to a little less formal, more relaxed and oversized with the Supreme striped tee. So the base is black and white, but you do have the double print Supreme on the front and then the Nyrva stacked leather pants. Again, the stacking on these just looks beautiful. How about Klay Thompson, 34 points the other night in the matchup against the Boston Celtics, replay of the final. So brand new Jordan brand Golden State, Klay Thompson Crewneck in, and Jordan brand cargo pants in this nice khaki colorway. My absolute favorite snapback, the 2022 championship hat. And finally, when I think of an Air Jordan 11, I think of a comfortable pair of sweats. So yes, the Fear of God Essentials Light Heather Oatmeal top and bottom. We have a hoodie, classic cuff sweats, the H&M wool overcoat in the darker gray, and the Supreme Stitch beanie to top it all off. I think a number of looks work with the Air Jordan 11 Cherry. Here are just 4, but no, there are many more. And I really appreciate you guys tuning into this secondary video. Understand, I love this shoe even more now having it past that initial pickup date. Going through the video, trying to make sure that I got this out to you all in a timely manner. It was just a full Sunday of ensuring that commentary videos were already filmed ahead for the week because I will have a busy work week ahead of me, but I wanted to make sure that the content is still consistent for you there and getting this out. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure, as always, to comment below your favorite look. And as I've said before in posts on social, I think this is a shoe you can wear a number of different ways. Even though it is bold and vibrant, maybe it's a little too jarring or daring for somebody because that red patent leather stands out. It stands out like this Supreme beanie on my head. But I think that's what's special. Again, you can wear everything else in a more muted tone that is not as in your face as the red on this actual 11, and it works, at least in my personal opinion. So work on contrast or complementing the pair versus just always trying to match. You can certainly put elements in that match. I mean, the hat matches. And also I would say, you know, the Supreme shirt has red in it as well, but everything else, as you saw, it was really done to complement the shoe versus just try to go match for match with it because you don't always also get the reds correct. So that's just where I stand. Again, thank you as always, and act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.